If your Spotify Wrapped 2024 isn't showing up, don't worry. This guide will help you fix it step by step. Let's get started. First, ensure you're on the latest version of the Spotify app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Spotify, and check if there's an update button. If there is, update the app and relaunch it. If Wrapped still doesn't appear, try restarting your phone. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. If the problem persists, clearing the app cache might help. On Android, go to your settings, find Spotify, and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, go to Settings General, iPhone Storage, select Spotify, and choose Offload App. This will clear temporary data without deleting your account info. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app. This refreshes the entire setup and has been a reliable solution for many. Once everything is set, reopen Spotify and your Wrapped banner should appear at the top of the homepage. Tap it to explore your year in music. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.